City today. One of my subscribers and guy up here in Oklahoma, he put me on to a backhoe out here at an auction. It's going to be auctioning off here coming up pretty soon. It's in Elk City. It's I believe it's a county machine. It's a Volvo. Now I don't know much about Volvos other than, you know, I've tried to find some stuff online about them. The machine looks real similar to a New Holland in my opinion, so I don't know. You know, I'm gonna go check it out. I think it's got under 1,500 hours or 1,100 hours, something like that. So hopefully I'll be able to get it running and check it out. There's a couple of other backhoes out here I may look at too, but I'm really interested in one like that. Number one, it's a 07 model, which will not have any of the electronics on the engine. I believe it'll all be a mechanical. I think they still had a mechanical engine even with Volvo back then. So the machine should be simple to maintain, easy to work on. I'm hoping. I don't know. But anyway, that's what I'm up to today. It was too cold. I know you guys are going to think it's funny. It's too cold to work, but it started out this morning about 10 degrees or 12 degrees, I believe, at my house. It's warmed up quite a bit today, but you know, the ground's frozen, and the plumber I'm working for, he said he's not going to get out in it today. They're going to wait till tomorrow. So it's supposed to warm up this afternoon. Tomorrow and Friday, or tomorrow and the next couple of days are going to be nicer. But anyhow, I'm out west of Oklahoma City, and we're almost to Weatherford right now, I believe. But anyhow, I hadn't been out this way in a long time. I've done some work out in Elk City. I've done some jobs there. I've done some jobs in Weatherford. A couple of places along the way here too. But anyway, there are more and more and more of these windmills coming up out here. There's a pretty rough looking old cat. Got a flat tire. There's the Volvo. I think I'm gonna get out and take a look at that dude. It looks pretty good from here. .310A over there. So this is the Volvo machine. Look like it's got about the same pilot controls as my New Holland. Maybe a selector switch here on the pilots. It's got a boom lock, automatic. Got some nice seals on the pivot pin. Hook point. Has auxiliary hydraulics. Bucket quick connect. Not sure that would fit my buckets. I'd probably have to get different buckets. I don't know. Check the pin size here and the length. Extend the hose, missing a bolt out of one of the slides. Boom looks good and straight. It's number 37's owner code, lot number 130. Tires look pretty rough. Along the Kiowa District 2. Locked. Let's see. Well, looks like it's got some oil leaks. Looks like somebody's torqued on the kind of about stripped off the oil plug. A little bit beat up in front. Which way's off on that? Cab shut nice and tight. Got a stereo. I think it's got an upstairs and downstairs heater. See what we got here. Well, she started. Got tilt steering wheel. That's a little squeaky. Not sure where to put that. see. It's got a boom lock, and when you turn the seat around, it locks your boom. I'm not real fond of the way these controls work here, but okay. Pilot controls. Sensitive brakes. Four-wheel drive. What we got here? That might just be for the AC. The heat might just be at the bottom. I'm gonna take her for a little spin here. See if we can get it to shift. Auto shift. That's kind of nice. Downshift, upshift off your loader here. That's really nice, I think. The battery just shifted by itself. It seems a little bit heavy in the back. I guess I could just drive off with it, maybe. Okay, I just got in trouble. I figured that was going to happen. I guess you can just drive them frontwards and backwards. I didn't know the rules. Oh boy, I'm fixing to get chewed out. I'll put it back. got a lockout on the front bucket too. That's kind of neat.
We don't mind you starting them up, pulling them forward, see if the buckets and stuff work, but you don't have enough insurance if you run over somebody.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I thought,
I didn't know the rules.
well, I just don't want to get anybody hurt.
Gotcha.
And there's been a lot of traffic, so.
Gotcha.
But I appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Well, I got in trouble. A little Volvo built engine in it. Guess I ain't the only one getting in trouble. Little 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, probably similar size to the New Holland, about the same horsepower. Pretty clean setup though. Well, I was making this video and I realized I didn't have an ending to the story. I'm loading up the B95 on the truck tonight, but I did bid on the Volvo BL70 backhoe. I did online bid on proxy bid, and I bowed out at $29,000. It sold for $30,000. But it probably would have went for more than that because it was a really nice machine. It was belonged to the county and they used it, you know, it was an 07 model, same year as this one, and had 1,000 hours on it. So it probably, you know, probably would have been a pretty good deal, but I didn't want to get in over my head on it too deep. So it makes you pretty nervous when the button you're pushing on the computer says $1,000 more than the last bid. So when I got up to $27,000, I was like, man, this is a lot of money. It went to 28 and it went to 29, and I was decided I'm done pushing that button. I don't want to hit it too many times. So anyway, I still got a backhoe. I can still make money, so it ain't no big deal. I didn't lose any sleep over it, but I got to thank old Kenny for getting the bug in my ear that they had one out there to check on. And sorry, Kenny, it didn't work out this time. I'm sure he'll find me a lot more though. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. See ya.